What are you doing? Have you gone crazy?
Deep, leave me! This face has devoured innumerable innocent people. I'll tear this face apart.
No. Because I won't let you do this. Leave that.
Why are you stopping me? Look carefully at this face. You'll spot blood all over it. You will see Nikku and my brother's blood. And look, this is Riddhi's blood. Everything has happened due to this face. It should be punished, Deep. Once I tear it apart, no one will be able to recognize me.
Please, Arohi. I will return all of your happiness that you deserve to get, please.
Why are you stopping me? You too hate this face, right? You are trapped so badly that you have distanced yourself from me. What will I do if this happens in future?
This won't happen in future. That's because I can't even think about this happening in future.
I'll punish this
Leave
face,
this thing,
Deep.
I'm telling you.
Deep, leave
I said
me.
leave.
Deep blood. I told you, right? There is only blood in my destiny. I hate red color, Deep, because it's the color of blood and destruction, and this is all my fault. You say that I'm jinxed, right? Deep, not just for others. I am jinxed for myself too.
No, Arohi. You are not jinxed, I am. I should be the one to be punished. Because you're in this condition, because of me. You do one work. Take this. And kill me. Kill me. Come on. Come on. Do it. Kill me now.
No, Deep, no, please, I can't do this. Arohi might have definitely received my gift by now.
Very good, Tara. Excellent. You have given them an amazing gift. Arohi and Deep thought that they will really enjoy their life at my house and we will suffer. You have wreaked havoc even before their arrival at our house. I'm so proud of you. Today you have proved that Deep and Arohi can never surpass you.
They haven't seen my true colors yet. I will set such a trap that not even the police force can save them from me. No matter how much police protection they take, I won't spare that Arohi. Riddhi, wake up. This is all my fault. Please forgive me.
Arohi.
Riddhi, please don't
Arohi,
leave
hold
me.
yourself.
Riddhi!
Arohi.
Riddhi!
Arohi.
Deep, Riddhi is leaving,
Hold
please.
yourself, please.
Deep! Deep!
Just hold yourself, please. Have water.
Search the entire house. Call the forensic team here. Collect all the fingerprints from here. Let's see if the murder took place here or the corpse was brought here.
What nonsense! They will find fingerprints and all for what? Will Riddhi return after doing all this? No, right? This is all your fault. Had you reached the basement on time, then those murderers would have been arrested and Riddhi would have been alive. This is all your fault. They are monsters. They are murderers.
You were talking about giving police protection, right? Today they have brutally killed her sister-in-law and they are capable of harming Arohi as well.
Listen, we have issued warning alert everywhere. We have appointed police force in the radius of 5 km of your house. We have appointed 2 constables outside your house. You don't leave the house until the culprits are arrested.
Go on, go. Go and live your life.
Sure, why not? Sooner or later, your lie will be caught, says Shikil in the kitchen.
Look, I've made it in a hurry. I'm not sure about the taste, but please have it.
I am not hungry, Deep.
You're not hungry? You haven't eaten anything. You will feel dizzy if you won't eat anything, so please eat.
I can't eat, Deep. A ray of hope was shattered today. I have I have nothing left now. When I used to skip meals, Riddhi used to scold me. She used to scold me and say that if this continues, then my in-laws will send me back home in just 2 days. I want Riddhi to come to me, Deep, and scold me, be mad at me and be rude to me. I want her to say that she will complain about me to brother and then she will feed me. But that won't happen, Deep. Riddhi won't come here. She will never return. There is no one now. I am an orphan.
Who's there? Doctor, who is it there? Who could that be? Doctor? Who could that person be? Who is over there? Doctor?
What happened? Why are you calling for me? Why are you so worried?
Doctor, I thought that someone was here. Sorry.
That's alright. Go take rest.
Please forgive me, Riddhi. I couldn't save you. Other than your sufferings and bangles, I have nothing left with me, Riddhi. I have nothing. Who is it? Who is there outside? Deep! Deep, come here. Someone is outside. Deep! Where did Deep go? Deep! Who is it? Flower bouquet. Who are you? Deep. Deep? Come in. What are you doing outside? It's dangerous. And how did you go out? I was right here and the door is locked. How did you go?
I snuck out of the window. If I would have gone in front of you, then you wouldn't have let me go otherwise. And then how could I have surprised you like this? How is my surprise?
It's nice, but there was no need for this, Deep.
The bouquet is not important. Your happiness is important. You hate the color red, right? That's the reason I got these flowers. I want that whenever you see this color, you should not remember bloodshed, but you should remember these roses. I will decorate your life with flowers. And the fragrance from these flowers will be filled in your heart. You are not part of any bloodshed. It's you who has awakened the righteousness in me like this. You've instilled the hope of living inside me, and I'm serious. You made me realize my true self, Arohi. At least I can do this for you. Now forget about all the evil things. Embrace these flowers and smell the fragrance. Whenever you smile, Arohi, you look very beautiful. I used to lie that I hated the sight of you. To tell you the truth, my eyes used to yearn to see you smile. But I was helpless. You know, Arohi, our life is full of darkness. If we don't lit up the candles of happiness, we will be stifled. By the way, you don't wish to eat because you are sad? No problem. I have an idea. Juice. At least you can have some juice. Don't refuse, please.
Love and Destiny are calling. Watch the full episode of To Die for Love now. A new episode of Passion and Secrets unfolds every Monday to Friday. Subscribe today and stay with us on this unforgettable journey.